What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the knife tool in Affinity. So what you want to do, go ahead and look towards the left hand side and you'll find these options here and you should find the pencil tool. Now, if you look at the pencil tool, you also see that there's a little down arrow. If you click on that, it's going to expand and you have the knife tool right here. So you can easily go ahead and click on it and you can just go ahead and just kind of cut whatever you want. So let's say I want to go ahead and make a cut. I use the knife tool to select the item that I want to go ahead and apply to. And as you can see, once I hover over it or draw over it, it now select the item. And then I can go ahead and basically use the cut. So I can just do something like this. And as you can see, it now made the cut and I can continue to make more cuts if I want to. Now, in order to separate what it cuts, go ahead and click your select tool or your move tool, and you can now select the parts and you can move them away directly from that. So you can go ahead and do multiple things with this. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. So that's how you go ahead and use the knife tool in Affinity. Very easy and very simple.